Hello friends, how are you? We are going to continue with Famousity mobile game made in Godot. Basically it's a remake from Unity and it's on the mobile and in C#. That's pretty much it. Yesterday we have been working on the lobby screen and creating a lobby so you can play with your friends. And today we are going to continue with it and basically more like we are going to finish it up and we are going to finish up the joining part of it so you can join the lobby based on the code. So we started with this screen yesterday and yeah, hi everyone. So we started with the screen yesterday where you can choose either you want to join a game or you want to create a new game, and we've basically finished or ended up here, so we need to implement this part here. I was working on the backend side of it today and everything should be prepared. I didn't have time to test it, so we will see if everything's working as intended. And that's it, let's go to work actually. So basically I only need to connect these to join stuff, and I probably already have something like that here. So if you go here to play with your friends and you join game, yeah, so this is the part we need to implement here. Okay, lobby code and player data. Player. So basically we are going to, which was best? I think we can use this part. This will be similar. Okay. Lobbies and join is the request we are looking for. So we need to have player data. This is not needed, and what's needed is actually the lobby code. Do we even have it here? No, we don't. Actually, let me just check if this is the code. Yep. Okay. It's post. Okay, the root should be fine, and we need to have a signal for that, which will return when the request is completed. And we can call it here. Oops, we join. So in case of 200 we will deserialize the object and emit the signal, which is called lobby joined with lobby data. In case we have something else here, like 400, which means that we probably might have that invalid code or something else happened here. So basically the response will tell us what's going on here, and we actually have another signal here which is called lobby join failed, or we just send the response, which should be the error message of the code, the error message of the error, and that's it. And that's it. Actually, I have to admit it, I have to confess that I have prepared other stuff here already. So if we go to menu, I already have joined and join failed connected. So join loaded will lobby joined will basically use the same thing as the create lobby and refreshing. So you will be shown the lobby screen with the lobby data. So basically the screen you will see when you create a game here. That's the same one. And as for join failed, there is this message here. So I will go back to this play with friends screen, and I will show the error here, which is prepared here. Okay, and that should be it. Can now test it. Not much work to do, hopefully, or probably, because I implemented too much of it. So yeah, play with friends, and we can try to type a code here. So A, B, C, D, A. Okay, code is not valid, so that's the response from backend, that code is not valid. So we need to create some game which I can connect to. But for that, I will need to use different players. So let me go to data manager. So I have to log in each time I open up the application or the game. Okay, so this one will create a game with this code here and this block here. We'll try to connect to the game. So he wants to play with friends. Let me just check if this is okay. So yeah, he's created a lobby with different code, but we don't want to do this. We want to join the code already existing. So TNQQD. As you can see, we have lobby ready. So if I press a start game here, what should happen is we have to invoke the start action on the backend. So that's another callback, another request. So let's go to lobby screen. On start. Okay, so play item. So we will go to game manager. So he will manage the stuff. Instance and let's call it start lobby game, so we know what's going on. Okay, let's move it up here to other similar methods here. Join game, game found. Okay, so find game. Okay, start lobby game. So this means that we have to again show the loading screen and call the API client, which will start game. Actually, we can so if lobby data is equals to 0 null, so we don't have lobby data prepared or anything here, we just return and we may show my menu. Otherwise we will show the loading screen and we will call the start game with lobby data. And let me just check if I do need to have a... I think I need to also pass the player here, so I may start game, start lobby basically. So ID, yeah, so I have to also pass a lobby player ID, so we need to pass lobby data and player local player data. And that's actually it, so let's go here. Let's actually call it start lobby game. So we know that it is a lobby game. Player data. Okay. And once again, let's go here. Actually, let's go to... Wait, what's the endpoint here? Lobbies ID start. Okay, so let's go to lobby. No. Get a load lobby. I think this one uses the... Oh, actually, this is not needed here, I believe. Actually, let's just use this one. So start lobby game. I will actually use this only the lobby ID here. Maybe also this one. Okay, so lobby. Okay. Yep. So player ID. This is not needed here, and we... Okay, I'm just trying to think if I do... Okay, I don't need a lobby ID here. Oh, sorry. Bunk. Cannot start lobby. So basically lobby started will be response of this. Actually, I don't really need this one because I will... Oh, wait a second. Oh, actually, yeah. This will be the same as lobby loaded, actually. The same response we'll get here, and we can process it in a lobby loaded signal, which will actually load it. Refreshing is fine. So yeah, so I already have a flag here, which will tell us that yeah, the game is started. So we can stop refreshing, and we can start the game or prepare for the game. Okay, so this should be enough. That should be enough. So local player data ID. Okay, let me just turn this off again. Is it everything? So we are calling this method. This game is calling the API stuff, and the API will handle the setting. Well, it can happen that this will basically return the you are not an owner, so only the owner can start the game. So you can have 400 here, but I'm not going to handle it because this is something which won't ever happen in the game, as you cannot start the game if you are not an owner. Well, it could happen, but Okay, what? Okay, I'm just trying to find out if there is such a use case. There is such a use case if you are actually there is not. Basically, when you are owner, no one else can be owner. The only time someone can become an owner this is when you leave the lobby. So this is the only way how you can do it, and you can rejoin the lobby, but you won't have the start enabled then. Okay, so that's not an issue here, I believe. Or if it is, it's very edge case, so I'm not handling it for this version. So yeah, let's test it. Okay, let's log in as this user here. Maybe I will create another one, so I don't have to type so much. Create account. Oh, we already have it. Okay. Perfect. So this one will create a lobby, and we have another one. Play with friends, and the code is what? GYQGA. Cool. Okay, so here it come. Okay, so start has been called. I will check the backend. Player connected, so it means that player connected to the game, but this one is not refreshing the game. Wait. Oh, on join we don't have a refresh here. Okay, makes sense. So yeah, this one basically is waiting for the second player to join, but he will never join here. Actually, I couldn't cancel for some reason, so we have to check that as well. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so that's a bug I found today. I thought I would have fixed it. So basically, when you create a game and then go, oh yeah, actually, it makes sense. Yeah, I had this as I found out this issue when you are finding the game and you then go to create a game. That this happens, but it also happens when you create a game, cancel it, and then create a game. So, but that's not an issue I wanted to solve here. I wanted to solve the join stuff here. So basically, when we are joining the game, join game, refreshing lobby, wait a second. So this lobby, yeah, I don't have lobby join handled, I believe, in game manager. So basically, lobby joined is the same. I actually do have it, right? So I basically need to handle it just for the refresh. So let's go to game manager, lobby joined. And we also want to have this lobby join failed. So I can actually call lobby left, lobby left, lobby left. Find a game, leave lobby. That should be okay, I believe. Not sure. The thing is that if I join the lobby, I'm showing the local loading screen. And this is the issue here. Menu. Okay, let me try this just to test it. Okay, but basically this should fix the issue with joining. But I want to do something else here. So if I type the invalid code here, what will happen here? Yeah, that's fine because I don't have the lobby data. Okay. Actually, not okay. I want to move this up. So I'm not refreshing anymore. But it shouldn't be an issue. Okay, never mind. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so yeah, create a game, and now let's go here. Private friends, code is FCD. Oh, nice. Okay, yep, so this works fine. Yeah, I might test some edge cases here, like joining more than 4 players. Oh, actually, yeah, that's actually another code I'm just realizing. So yeah, we can actually test this. So let me try to run several instances. Can I even do that? Run more than 2. So create a game and let's try to run this. Yeah, it won't allow me. I can run 3, probably. No, I cannot. Okay, I might test it off stream actually. I'm just trying to think of how to do it because I don't have the build version. It should have been an issue to do, but yep. Okay, so basically that's it for the for playing with the friends. So you can play with your friends. You can play up to 4 players in one game, and that's one of those things. And yeah, so another thing would be to create a lobby with your friend and make it public so others can join it. But I won't do it in the first iteration of the game because this will make sense if there's a much larger player base. So this is something which will be requested, even if it even will be requested. So yes, and okay. What would be the next task here? Let me just go. Okay, so let me just finish this. Okay, so let's what I'm trying to say. Let's commit this. So play. And the next thing I will do right now, it's actually the challenges. So that's the next step I will want to implement here. Oh. Oh yeah. Let me just make sure I won't I won't submit it again. Okay, so so challenges, yeah. So basically the challenges are like little tasks you can do during your games and to gain additional points. And if we go to score screen, there you can see basically the score for it, but you don't basically know what this is about. Where are we? Yeah, so this is the challenges. Actually, I could have a count here. Yep. So the challenges could be something like steal a card or exchange it or just group some person. And for the challenges we have endpoint on the backend for each player. It's refreshed every day. So you can do, it's like daily challenge, so you can do it every day. Up to, there are 3 challenges every day. And that's it actually for that. So yeah, so let's do it. So I will have a, just move this down. Yeah, so I will have another screen here. Let me just check which one is the best for this. I think this one. Okay, so let's duplicate it and let's make this one local. Okay, so challenges, and then we can remove this stuff here. We can actually leave the back button here. Actually, this should be similar to the little bird. Yeah, I might want to unify these methods here, or the screens. Okay, yeah, anyways, so yeah, and then now I will have the challenges. Wait. Okay, I need to refresh my memory. What's in the challenge actually? Yeah, so if we go to player service. Okay, so we have win person stall, exchange, destroy in group. Fine. And I actually am interested in the score. I can't remember. So yeah, basically this should be the challenge here. But I don't see card ID. Okay. Okay, so we only have a card ID. Actually, no, we do have a person name image. That's fine, and we also should have a score here, or not? Maybe no. And a text. Okay, so probably the text is only on the front end side. Get text. Actually, it is here. Score text as well. Oh, it is here. Okay, yeah. So we have a text here and we have a score here. The text is in the Unity style rich text, so I'm not sure if this will be working here. We can check. We can try it. The score it's fine. Okay, so yeah. I will need the frame. Yep. So basically start with the. Okay. So what do we have here? We will have a. Can use VBox container here. So that's challenge. And challenge will have sprite. This is frame. Then the person. Actually, this is also sprite. Then we will have a name. Or actually, we won't have a name. We will have only the text here, so that's a label, or actually the rich text label. So text and score. So that's also a label. Okay, so let's make this one scene. Challenge. Okay. So as for the frame, you want to, I'm not sure if I have an asset here. I might want to Probably not frames. Oh. I'm looking for. Not sure if it's here. It's probably here, right? Oh, it's this one. Okay, so frame PNG. We want to copy it to projects, Famousity mobile, assets, and UI frame. Okay, let's go back. Now, if we go to UI, this is for the frame. Okay. Okay, let's not have it censored. Or do we want to have it censored? Oh, how does it look like if it's not censored? Yeah, we want to have it censored. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I didn't set the size here. So, for rectangle, actually not. Okay, something like this. Okay, that makes sense. Why is it not centered? I believe that's just an issue here. Okay, never mind. Okay, so frame and a person will be the same size. Okay, let me just put some person here. For example, this here. I actually wonder if I should have it centered here. But probably not. Like, this should be... Oh, this is fine. Okay, never mind. Okay. Text. Let's set up a font here. So this is rich text, normal text. We are looking for this one. Sets fonts. Let's try 40. Okay, where it is? Where is it? What am I missing here? This I'm missing here. But scroll following selection enabled, override selected font count. Can I not move it? No? Why? Why? Okay, so this text is pretty weird. It's not like the label. Okay, let me just... So this doesn't inherit from control? Okay, and we can change the color. Or maybe white is fine. Okay, so this is still too big. We need to make it smaller. You, how dare you? So 400. What about this size? What are you doing? I think I know what's going on, but it's annoying. Wait, that's vertical. What? Okay, so this is this elf. I'm not going to spend half a year figuring out how to do it properly. The only problem here is that this is going to be, if this is split in two lines, then we have a problem. But why? Why is this? It's such an illogical. I'm working with CSS and JavaScript, and this is like totally different world to set up. Okay, so I have a challenge here. Okay, let me do just this min size 500. So this is 500. Is this enough? Maybe 520. Yeah, 520. Okay, so 520 as a min size. As for the y-axis, we have 550. Let's say. So we have nice numbers. Now, let's center this top. This will be center bottom, but we want to move it up a little bit here. And this is actually okay. Let's also do this for this one. Okay. Save. Now. Perfect. Now can we fit 3 of those here? Barely, but we can. Oh, actually it looks fine. Okay, perfect. So this is the first thing we need to do. Then let's go to code. Let's start with API client. Actually, let's start with the data. So what we are returning? Are we returning the list of our data or something? What are we? Let's go to get challenges. JSON array put into the data. Okay. So we will have okay, so what do we have for the challenge? Let's go one more time here. Daily. So we have a type, but we're not interested in this one. We are interested in the text, score, and okay, let's see here. Person name, image. Person name, image, text, and score. We actually don't need the person name. We just want to have a piece. Actually, wait, what's the image? What's an image? Is it the person image or? Test record, get image. No, it's yeah, fine. So yeah, we only need this. So string text and public int score. That's for the challenge, and we need to have a list of challenges here in data. Let's go to API client manager and let's go to load the challenges. Right, we'll just come down all challenges. So, and the endpoint is players, player ID and daily challenges. So we need to have a player ID here. Okay. Why do I have it? Challenges data. So an emit signal, yeah. So we can create a new signal here, which will be called challenges loaded. Okay, not sure if this is the challenges data and challenges here. What's wrong? Oh. I guess we will have a list here. Probably. Error while loading challenges. Okay, so this is it, and now we are going to go to no. Jesus. This one. Oh, put the... Am I stupid? Okay, so actually I want to have a script here for these challenges so I can manage them from the code. Let's have a new one which will be called challenges screen. Let's assign it to this. Okay, and what else? I need to have a menu button here in my menu. So it will be we are running out of space here. I will need to reorder it because we also want to have a how to play. Actually, maybe we can do it. Come on. Can I please click on the... Okay, I can't. Never mind. This will have to suffice. So, yeah, play with challenges, that's fine. And now what we want to do here is to... yeah, I just realized that challenges also have some additional thing here, and that's if it's completed or not, and that should be a boolean, right? Is completed. So in case it is completed, we should show it as disabled or something like that, so we will need to handle that as well. Fine. Okay, let's go to challenges screen. But let's prepare this one and we can call it from the menu. So already we will have actually the container, I mean so this is whatever, and not special but control. Okay, so this is our scene which we will initialize. Person or image, or how did I call it? Challenge frame person. And texture. Let's go to card, initialize, and the picture texture. Okay, so we can use this here. Get card picture texture, and image is the challenge image. Okay, the other one is the rich text, which I'm really actually interested how it will work. We will need to replace the color. So let's go to challenge text and replace. I think I only have a color there, nothing else. So let me just check how it looks like here. Okay, so how it should look like, it's color, code, name and text. So basically we just need to remove or replace these brackets. And other than that, it should be working, I believe. Okay, but the color should be the default color should be font color should be not white, but this one, and we will make this white. Okay, so let's try this. So replace this for actually this for this, no, this, and with this, and that should be it. And one more thing here is to set up score. So let's go here, label, score, text, and challenge text of min score to string. Okay, that's it. What else? We need to add it to container. Let's go to menu now. So in the menu we will have reference to the challenges. Actually, yeah, I'll also forget to go visible. Oh man, true. Yeah, and we need to iterate from control here so we can have that visibility. So now finding him. Yep. Menu. Let's go with show challenges. Show challenges. Yeah. Okay, and we need to connect to the challenge is loaded. So this means that we will hide everything and we will show challenges. Actually, challenges screen like this. Okay, that should be it. We can try it. Yeah, actually one more thing I didn't. Actually I did I? Cool. Bag is not working. What happened here? Challenge screen, I didn't connect it to the back. So let me just leaderboard. Actually. Okay, so this will show my menu again. Let's try it again. Not leaderboard changes. Okay, so let's just tune it up a little bit. So basically I want to start with this, move this a little bit up. Move this one a little bit down. They're quite big. I think they could be smaller. Like everything, not only the text. Oh yeah, actually I forgot to center the text. So first of all, let's go here. Where is it? Okay, so we will use 500 for the width. 500 here. And for this one as well. Oh. And we will make this a little bit smaller, so 380. It looks better. Actually, no, that's fine. Yeah, the size is fine. Maybe this one will be a little bit better, a little bit smaller. 3. Center. Okay, the font size of this should be smaller. That's better. And the score. I guess this is fine. Wait. Main size. What's the size of this? 480. Oh, 500, and this should be also 500. Okay, and yeah, one more thing is the two. Okay, two more things actually here. So basically, first one is to put center here. So we have the text centered. And the second one is to add the perfect, and to add the completed icon here. Wait, first of all, I will need to. Okay. So let's go back to challenge, and we will have a completed completed texture. Okay, so something like this will be shown when the challenge is completed. Okay. Oops. Okay, one more test and we are done. Texture button, sure. This text seems a little bit off, like not centered for some reason. So let me just check the. Actually, it is centered, but because there is a. This is not centered. The image. The frame. Yep, the frame is off. Centered up. Oh, let's forget if it's range 255. So yeah, I want to make it dark if it's finished. So we will put 80, 80, 80. Okay, one last test. Okay, so I will have to check later if the completed challenges are shown properly. Yeah, so basically that's it for the challenges. Well, it's not it. In the desktop version of the game, when there is a actually when you go to network manager and we can have a look at the process around action, there is some action called I removed it completely. Challenge completed. There is a one here. So in such case we can like show it on the screen that the challenge has been completed when you do complete it, and also the challenge show challenge hint. So yeah, whenever some card is on the table, which is in your challenges, it will show you the hint that yeah, this card is there is this challenge for this card, so you can, if you don't have to remember. But this is maybe for the next day. For today that's all. So we have implemented the play with friends, joining the game, and we have also implemented the challenges here, so you can you know what the challenges in your score screen means. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to press the follow button. I will really appreciate it. And see you next time, which is going to be on Thursday. If you're interested, we are going to continue. I'm not really sure what with. Maybe we will handle the. Yeah, there are some round actions here still, which we can implement. For example, these challenges here, as I mentioned, and or if not that, then we can maybe work on the action effects, and more specifically the distraction. There should be some cool effect for explosion of your card when it's destroyed, so we can work on that and play with particles probably. So yeah, again, thank you for watching and have a nice one. Bye bye, guys. See you later.